All right, this bread has been rising for now a few hours. Look at this, it double, almost triple in size. We're just gonna have to shape it into the bread we want. All right, this is a mixture of melted butter and eggs, just the yolk. And this is the final product. It's not the best, but it looks decent. So we're gonna just add the butter on the top with the yolk. All right, and this is what it looks like once it's covered with that delicious melted butter and egg. And now we're gonna put it at 375 degrees in the oven. All right, and this is the finished product of our bread. I know the kneading is not that good, but at least the bread smells really good, and this is the final product. You guys enjoy. If you need any advice or if you have any comment, just feel free to do so.